In this video, I will show you how to set up GTM Server Container using Stape.io. First, log into your GTM account. Then click on Admin. Click here to create new container. Write here container name. Now click on Server. Click on Create. Now select Manually Provision Tagging Server. Now go to Stape.io website. You will get the link of this website in description box. Enter your email and click on Try for free. Now select Global and check the box and click on Sign up. Now go to your Gmail account. Now click on the email. Now click on Set Password. Now enter password. Now enter repeat password. Now check the box and click on Save Password. Now scroll down and click on Create Container. Now enter container name. Now enter container configuration. Go to Google Tag Manager account and copy this code. Then paste here. Then select server's location. Then click on Create Container. Then scroll down and click on Continue with Free Plan. Now see GTM Server Container is connected with Stape.io. Now go to Google Tag Manager and click on Close. Now click on Tags. Now we have to create tag. Now click on New. Now write here GF4 measurement ID server side. Now click here and select Google Analytics. Google Analytics GF4. Now enter measurement ID. Go to Analytics account and copy measurement ID and paste here. Now scroll down, click on Event Parameters. Now enter parameters to exclude. Click on Add Row and enter event name. Here, all event parameters will not be sent to Google. Now scroll down and click on Triggering. Now click on Here and write client name. Now click here and select Custom. select some events. Now click here and click on new variable. Write client name. Select client name and click on save. Write here GA4 and click on save. Now click again on save. Now see, tag is added. Now click on submit and write version name. Then click on publish. Now go to web container. Now select web container. Now click on tags. Now see, here is no tags. So we have to upload JSON file. Now click on admin. Now click on import container. Now click on choose container file. Now select JSON file and click on open. Then select on default workspace and select default workspace and select override. Then scroll down and click on add to workspace. Now click on tags and you will see all tags are added. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.